Dear airplane. Children playing on the grass. Mothers cooking in the house. Fathers working away. Or stop at the sound of you passing by. Oh, dear airplane, you up so high, so far. How do you fly? You are so big. How many people are in there? What happened to gravity? Who is flying you? Can you see me down here? My dearest airplane, I wonder, how do you know where you're going to? Are there sky signs giving you directions? Where? What? How? My beloved airplane, do you have a dream to fly faster than light, to reach the heavens, to see the giant's castle from Jack and the Beanstalk, or maybe aliens floating by? Oh, dear airplane, my loved airplane, I have a dream. I want to go up on a Boeing 777, or maybe an Airbus A320 first class, where I would dine like a little princess or prince. Oh, airplane, airplane, I wish to be aboard you, for I wish to see the clouds. I wish to fly over the cities, towns, countries, rivers, lakes, oceans, seas. COVID-19, please go away, for I want to fly on my dear airplane.